Okay, so as promised, let's do a first few problems together so I can show you how to put all this together. So hopefully you watched the other video, or at least you've done the reading in Hurley. So we know we have an antecedent here, and we know we have a consequent. And they want us to use a conditional proof, so we're going to indent with number 3. We're going to use N as our ACP, assumption for the conditional proof. And then based on that N, my new goal is right here. Okay, so I'm just going to use modus ponens, get O with 1 and 3, and then I'll get P with 2 and 3, and then I'll conjunct them together. And since I just now got to my goal, right there, I know I'm done. So now I'm going to discharge, and I know I'm done. I've got it lined up perfectly. I'm going to go up to the top. That has to be my first antecedent. I'm going to put a horseshoe, go down to the bottom of my conditional proof. That has to be my consequent. I'm going to show that I use lines 3 through 6, conditional proof, and I got my conclusion. Okay, so pretty much the same setup. We have F here as our antecedent, R is our consequent, so I'm going to indent, and F will become my assumption for the conditional proof. And now my goal is R. So we have F, and F will get us E from 1 and 3 modus ponens. We'll conjunct F and E, and then we'll use modus ponens to get R, so 2 and 5. And I'm there. I have my goal. So now I'm going to discharge from it. Put my little line here to remind me. Go to the top. That has to be my antecedent. Put a horseshoe. Go to the bottom. That has to be my consequent. 3 through 6, conditional proof. Okay. One more. Antecedent. Consequent. So, indent G as my assumption for the conditional proof, and my goal now is K. So based on that, we have G, so I can get T. So 1 and 3 modus ponens. So we need to get K, so we're just going to add an S. And then we'll just use modus ponens again to get K. I have my goal there. I know I'm done. So I'm going to discharge, put my little line to show. Go back up to the top, that's my antecedent. Put a horseshoe, go to the bottom. I use 3 through 6, conditional proof. Okay, so I know these are simple, but just remember, antecedent, consequent, go over the sheet, go over the examples Hurley gave you. The rules have not changed at all. You're just setting them up a little differently. And to be honest with you, these usually end up being a little bit easier.